Hello and welcome to our poster in which we give a brief introduction to the inference tools we have been developing to help us understand more about infectious diseases. First of all, why do mathematical modelling? On a fundamental level, it is to understand dynamical systems, but from the point of view of disease outbreaks, it is their ability to look into the future and test possible control strategies before applying them in reality, which makes them really useful. However, mathematical models are only useful if they are well parameterized. The process of obtaining parameter values from data is known as inference. Epidemics are mathematically represented by compartmental models, which divide the population into subgroups depending on their disease status. Two contrasting approaches can be taken depending on the types of data available and the system being studied: population-based models and individual-based models. In population-based models, the underlying system dynamics are represented by variation in the compartmental populations as a function of time. These can be applied to large populations in a computationally efficient manner, but unfortunately cannot capture individual-based variability. We've been developing a software tool called Beep MPP, which performs inference using population-based models and uses a new methodology which is found to be faster than comparable approaches. Beep MPP has been applied to publicly available COVID-19 data and has provided new insights into how the reproduction number has changed as a function of time and the relative rates of mixing between different age groups in the population. In individual-based models, the underlying dynamics are represented by timelines for each of the individuals in the system. In this case, we have developed a new inference tool called BICI. So far, BICI has only been applied to data from disease transmission experiments. However, we are working to extend it to make it applicable to many animal diseases, such as avian influenza and foot and mouth disease. In the era of increasingly complex models being applied to larger and larger datasets, development of computationally efficient inference algorithms is vital for scientists to inform policymakers in disease outbreak scenarios. Thank you very much for your time.